Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So today's gonna be a little bit of a quicker video. I have a little part I want to put on my Celica. I found it on eBay. I'm gonna be honest, I saw Ricer Miata put some of these on his car, and I was like, wow, like, oh, I want to do a little simple mod like that to my car. So this is what I got. I'll show you quickly. So what I got were these here. They're basically, oh, you probably didn't see any of that. So basically what I got was these here. They're just, now I thought they were smoked, but they're not. So I'm kind of mad, but it is what it is. They're clear side indicators for the Celica. Now, if you look at the Celica, they have these ugly orange indicators, and honestly, they look cool, kind of stock, but I think these will really, really clean the piece up. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take the orange ones off my car there and put these ones on. So let's get it. So we're getting to the car here. And this is just what I'm gonna take off. This guy here. So I don't want to take the wheel or jack the car up if I don't have to. So I'm going to see if I can get it through here, which I may be able to. So let's see what I can do. As you can see, we have way more room now to play with. Shit. That's not good. These come without bolts. So let me see if I have bolts. Maybe in business. Maybe in business. You're gonna see what I'm gonna do with this now quickly. I don't want to work on my Lexus tonight because I don't want to do too much work. That was me today. Let's see how she looks. Good enough. Okay, so I'm going to do that to all of them. Hopefully I don't have to, but I'm going to shoot this quickly with some black and we'll see how that goes. There we go. So I have those two drying on the first side, first coat, just so they don't rust over again, or hopefully they don't. I have it just chilling like this, and I'm gonna make sure that these actually fit before I, well, I guess it doesn't matter now, but probably gonna start the other side. So by the time those are dried, I can start installing this. This one's going to be a lot of fun. I can tell already. So basically what I had to do there was, just like the other side, since the little piece inside was spinning in here, basically what happened here was that little guy there is just spinning inside. So like my helmet, if you watch my helmet video, I had to put some pressure so that it would put pressure on the actual bumper. That didn't really come out right, but basically I had to put some leverage behind this so that the bolt would get pressure on there so that it could spin. But since these are rotted and they're like 17 years old, they snapped off. But yeah, that's pretty much what I have to do. I'm assuming I have to do this side here, but it's gonna be a little easier because I can just slip my hand in here. I could just slip my hand in there and hold it like that. So we're gonna do that quickly. I'm working on my car. Where are you guys? Here's the thing. I'm working on my Celica. I'll take the van with the van. Okay, I'll be in like 5 minutes. Hey, what's going on? So this is Lucas from the future. Basically what happened was I had to run to my buddy's house because his brother's truck was throwing a bunch of codes with misfires and stuff, and I have a scanner, like a little crappy one that can read kind of something, whatever. But I had to go run there quickly to give him the scanner to see if they fixed it, if they doing the codes anymore so they can clear it. But the thing was, my Celica was on jack stand, so I had to jump in my mom's van, drive over there. Thank God it's only down the street, so it kind of worked out. But when I was there, I tried to help him out, but I was like, look guys, like I gotta get the hell out of here. My car's on jack stands, I don't have indicators on it, and I need to hit to work in the morning. So they're like, yeah, it's whatever. So basically what happened was my buddy jumped in the car with me, left his brother with the scanner, we came to my house, we finished what we had to do, and that's where we are right now then. Buddy, does it fit, mint? We're good. Ooh, baby. This is the next day, so I'm gonna do a quick comparison of the old ones compared to the new ones. So this is one day after driving them. They look great, and in the daytime they look even better. It just makes the car just look that much more sleeker. Like there's just not a random like orange thing just chilling right there. It's so much nicer. You can even just see the comparison. Like just look at that. Like bang. So basically it's not that hard to do. All you have to basically do is just, if you have another ligament or excuse me, all you have to do is basically just pull this stuff back and shove your hand in there. Oh my god, all this stuff is out. All you gotta basically do is take this stuff out back here, and then there's the 2 bolts on each side that are just basically right here and right here. And as long as you can get your hands in there, you're fine. But the problem is they're old cars. Like over the years, like the Canadian winters and stuff, like the 17 odd years, whatever, right? they're gonna get rusted and they're gonna have to snap off. There's really no other way to take it off. That was the easiest way I found to take it off, because they do come with their own new hardware here, but the problem is you need your own screw. You need your own nuts, because if you don't have your own nuts, you're kind of screwed. And what I did was, as you can see, was I cut the old washers off the back. I painted them black so that they would not rust over again, and I just used them as the new washer. One thing I might do is I might take them off and repaint the washers, because the washers were too smooth for the paint to really stick to it. And I might do that another time, because it wasn't too hard to put them back on, and I kind of want them to be a little bit nicer so that they don't rust. And that's my dog barking. Why you gotta be so loud, kid? Yeah, so it's not that bad. Once you put those bolts back in, to put them back in, it's quite easy. The take off part is difficult because you have to get leverage to undo them because of the rust. My buddy asked me why I didn't use PB Blaster. Well, because they're so small that the rust really just kind of ate at it, and I don't think PB Blaster would have did anything. So yeah, that's pretty much how to install the side markers on your Celica. It's not that hard. Oh, this is out. Gotta take that back in. If it wasn't rusted, it wouldn't have been so hard. It was kind of very simple, if anything. It's like one of the easiest things you can do by yourself without screwing up, because like as long as you have the nuts to replace it, you're fine. You're pretty solid. For a first mod to do on a car, it's like the best one because it's very simple and like a first time guy can do that. That's that, and basically that was kind of a small thing. The next thing I want to do to get my car ready for autocross is kind of the most obvious and best mod you can pretty much do besides the driver mod, and that is these guys. These are the stock wheels I had on my old Corolla. If I have a photo of it, I'll put it in here. But these are the tires that came with my old Corolla. Just the 2009 base model Corolla I had, and then someone ran a stop sign and hit me and I went flying. Yeah, that was a blast. But yeah, so that's the next thing I want to do. I want to put my wheels and tires, and they may or may not have already came in. Yeah, so that's just a hint. It's kind of a really bad hint, because when you see the wheels I got, you'd be like, why'd you get those from this place? But whatever, it's okay. It's pretty dope. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. See you guys next time.